All right, we're just packing up at our Airbnb. We were almost all ready to go. We're just doing the final check through of all the rooms. Make sure we didn't leave anything in drawers, turn all the lights off, lock everything up. And then we're hitting the road, heading back to Texas. Hopefully our bus is ready today. We haven't quite heard. So we're hoping that by the time we get back, we hear from the mechanic and we can pick up our bus. Otherwise, we have to find somewhere else to stay tonight.
Okay, we're finally leaving the Airbnb.
Give these back to the lending library. We enjoyed them. We got to read a few for bedtime stories, and we'll have more bedtime stories coming up. Stay tuned.
What I get every time. I mean, look at that.
This is what I used to always get.
Good?
The rice has enough flavor for me.
Do you have good food?
I'm not done yet.
Oh, you wrap up your rice bowl in paper towel?
No, it's the nachos.
All right, so we checked into our hotel. And Michael and I are running to the grocery store to get some food so that we don't eat out. All right, so we got the call that the bus is ready to go. So we are gonna go pick it up tomorrow morning at some point. So I'm so excited to be back in the bus. So excited to have my space, all my stuff. We've had a blast the last 6 weeks, but it's time. It's time to go home. All right, we got back to the bus yesterday. Yay! So we're home. Home is wherever our bus is. Right now that happens to be in Texas. We got home about mid-afternoon and we were all completely exhausted, and it's really hot here. The temperature definitely spiked since we left Texas. So we are sweating and hot. So we didn't do a whole lot yesterday. We just got the bare minimums out of the van and just made do with just necessities. So the bus is
a disaster.
A complete disaster. So we are gonna spend the morning cleaning up the bus, finishing pulling everything out of the van, and then because we have no food in the bus because we had to obviously clean everything out for 6 weeks, we are gonna go to Costco and do a grocery haul, a bus-sized grocery haul. So we're gonna let you guys all watch that.
Go to Costco, I got samples.
We come to Costco because I love all their organic produce, and this Costco has something going on. I don't know what it is, but all their whole little cooler area is closed down and the lights are off, so darn.
It should be a rule that mothers are not allowed to do spoken word rap.
Especially when it's
Ever.
based off of the song.
Yeah, never. Don't do it again.
Why did you film it?
No, we're commenting on it.
We were gonna buy some mahi-mahi so we can make tacos on the weekend.
No, don't do that.
A song by Cody Simpson.
Living Easy?
Yeah, Living Easy by
Living
Cody
Easy
Simpson.
by Cody Simpson. She's like, I want some mahi-mahi on my taco on the weekend.
Like a little mahi-mahi on my taco on the weekend.
We're like, what did you just do?
She's getting her cracker. Lemon juice. We haven't had lemon juice in a long time.
What is that?
Lemon juice.
It's a joke.
Anderson, one of our viewers, asked us to read some of this, so we're gonna grab this. We found it at Costco.
Ow! You just squashed my fingy. How's it going, bro?
Where did mommy go?
Mommy went somewhere.
Say two.
$643.
What are you fighting over?
Mine goes. Give me. Mine. Mine. Alright, so obviously we live in a bus. We can't buy as much as we did when we lived in a house. So this is a pretty big shop for us because right now the fridge is empty, the freezer's empty, and half the pantry's empty. When we lived in a house, this would be every other week, but this is gonna not happen again this big for a long time until our fridge is empty, basically until we have to leave the bus. So we spent $643.44, which is pretty good actually for us. We didn't buy any non-food items other than toilet paper though. Those things usually make your bill add up real quick. So it's all food.
Okie dokie. Back a little late, but the bus lights up like
a Christmas tree. The final product of our Costco shopping trip. Now we just gotta put it all away. The fun part. Yay! Not.
Alright, so we're done. We got everything bought, unloaded, and put away all in one day. That was a big haul. It was an hour drive there and back, but we got it done and we're organized and our fridge is full, the freezer's full, the pantry's full, so we're good to go for at least a week.
more like 2 or 3.
What? No, I was thinking less.
We don't have